guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I just got this in the mail the other day, and it's another solar street light from my friends over at BNT. As you guys saw from my previous episode of BNT, this is a little bit of a different version with a separate solar panel so that you can attach this solar street light to anywhere near your house and then be able to move the separate solar panel to another area where it can be exposed to direct sunlight. Whereas some of the other ones where I reviewed last time was the solar street light was integrated into a solar panel, which means that if you have it pointed directly here, you're not going to be able to charge if the sun is not in that direction. So this is a separate solar panel. Let's unbox it right now. So this one's much smaller than the other one. Instructions, warranty card, we don't need that. Here is the separate solar panel I was talking about. This mounts to the light itself, but given that you have a wire here, you can get an extension wire and connect this to anywhere in your house as long as it's exposed to the sunlight. And this is the other, and this is the light itself. Much smaller, about half the size of the one that I just reviewed, and it has 4 banks of LED lights. This connects onto a bar, as well as the bracket on top of the bar to attach the solar panel. It also has a remote control where you can set whether you want 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. You just press it like a timer. Also, it has up and down light intensity settings where you can lower the intensity of the brightness or raise the higher intensity, as well as automatic where you can press it to auto, and as soon as it turns dark, it'll light up by itself, and then when the sun comes up in the morning, it'll shut off by itself, and during the day it charges the internal battery that's in here. Also an on and off switch. I hope they gave me batteries, because there's one thing I can't stand is that when you buy something and they don't give you batteries, you got to stop what you're doing, go back out and find batteries. So there's no batteries in here, of course. But let's see if they gave me any. They didn't give me any batteries, but they gave me a lot of hardware to attach this and put it together. So I have to go find some batteries. If I can't find any batteries, I can't go on with the review. Just give us the batteries. There it is. I put it together. It was a pain in the butt to put together, okay? To try to get these screws in between there, to put this together, I mean, thousands of screws. It was hard to get in there. So the installation process was not fun. Now I still have to think about going to get a battery somewhere. If you just gave me the battery, it'd be much better. And if it just came installed, it would have been much better, you know? Like the other one, the other BNT street light. It was just, you take it out of the package and you install it. There's nothing to put together. The solar panel was integrated into the light. So I would like that better. If you probably gave me a choice, I wouldn't buy one like this. But that's just me. I'm just giving you a choice as well. I'm gonna install this. Since I already have a solar light here, I have a solar spotlight Wi-Fi security surveillance camera there that's also solar powered. I have another solar powered light over there and another security camera. I don't want to drill any more holes into my house. So I have a basketball net that has a pole. The pole already has another security spotlight, but it's not very bright. So I'm gonna attach it onto the back of that, nice and tall, so that it aims the light at the two entrances here to my neighbor and my backyard. If you have it all lit up, no burglars will go in there. Not only that, when you take out the garbage at night, there's no light here, so you want to be able to see. So that's what I'm going to be putting it. I'm going to go get my ladder and go find some batteries. Okay, as you can see, I climbed up there and it was pretty easy to install if you have the right tools. But the bracket is not as stable as I thought, you know, just soft sheet metal. So when you screw it on, it's not exactly universal, but whatever, it's fine. I adjusted the solar panel to be aimed exactly at the sun. So this is getting full sunlight right now for charging. And then later I will get batteries and we'll come out at night when it's dark. It should be on when I come out. Okay, so now it's 7:30 at night. And look what we see. Hey, look at how bright that is. Holy cow. There it is right there. I know you guys can't see because it's so bright. There you go. I'm gonna go close up. You see? So this was on auto, right? So the minute it gets dark, it just lights up. So how does that look, huh? Look at that, just like I said. It is nice and bright now where my garbage cans and gate area is. And this will stay on as long as I want it to be. As long as it's dark, it'll stay on. And then in the daytime, it'll turn off by itself and recharge for the next evening. Here's my remote control. As you can see, it has an off and on button. Right. Off, there we go. So because that one went off, my other one went on. So you can, like I said, you can do 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours. If you press auto, there we go. Now it's on. See that? And you could lower the intensity. Oh, see, if you lower the intensity here, raise the intensity. Wow, look, oh my God, look how bright that is. And then because it's so bright, this one thinks that it's daytime, so it turns off. Then you lower the intensity on this one. And this one goes on, see? Very cool. So I'll just keep it on auto, which is what I want. Wow, that's bright. That's really bright. I'm pretty impressed. I like it a lot. I really do. Excellent. So, hope you guys enjoyed my video on the BNT solar streetlight. I think it's great. I didn't expect it to look, I mean, it's small, it's compact, you know, it's not, you know, so big and in the way. It's just right. And it lights up exactly where I need it to light up. And it's all free energy from the sun. It's definitely worthwhile to take a look at it. If you guys have like a garage that isn't wired, or you have an outside farmhouse somewhere where you don't want to run wires and you just need a light, an industrial commercial light like this that will feed off the sunlight, and it's free electricity for light that'll exist as long as the battery holds up. I'll leave a link in the description, guys. And if you guys are interested in it, we'll give it a click. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.